Good morning, all of you. How are you all? After Haldi's adventure, the story of Haldi's adventure, we are going to do another a nice good poem. Okay, can you help me out in the picture? What do you see? What do you find? Yes, we find three children. Okay, what are they wearing? They are wearing school uniform. And what do they have on the shoulder? School bags. Okay, the next thing is what do we see? We see two boys are there and one girl is there. And what the boy is doing? The boy has made a paper boat and he wants to float that paper boat in a water. Now, another picture, what do you see? There is a frog in the picture, in the pool. In the pool, a frog is there, and the frog, where is the frog is lying? We can see it is a leaf. A frog is lying, is sitting on a leaf in the pool. Okay, so what is the picture about? The picture is about a small water is there. A small water is gathered in a place. It looks like a pool for the children. So when the children were going to the school, they wanted to make a paper boat to float into the water. So the poem is The Paddling Pool. What is the name of the poem? The Paddling Pool. Here you can see a child is floating the paper boat. Here the another child is over here sitting. The frog is looking at the boy. And over here you can see a girl is staring. The girl is looking at what the boy is doing. Okay, so now we'll start with the poem. The poem is what? The Paddling Pool. The Paddling Pool. Now what do you mean by paddling pool? Now in the picture, what did we see over here? See, we saw over here this water is there, no? A small water is gathered in a small ground. So that small water, shallow water which is gathered is called paddling pool. Means it is a very shallow water. The small children cannot get drowned themselves. They cannot drown also, and they can easily play also in that shallow water. So we'll read the poem. The Paddling Pool. Down by the river, on the way to school. Down by the river, on the way to school. Down by the river, on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. Now over here what the children are saying? Here the children are saying about the place how is the place when they go to the school. What kind of a place is there which they can pass to the school. Down by the river, on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. See, when the children are going to the school, so on the way there is one place coming which is a paddling pool. Just I showed you, a small water is gathered and the grass is green and the water is cool, and we stay to play by the paddling pool down by the river on the way to school. Over here what the poet is saying? The poet is saying, okay, the children are going to the school and on the way there is a small water is gathered in a small area. So that is a paddling, where there is no too much of water is not there. A shallow water is there at the small area, in the small area, and where the grass is green. The grass color is also green. And the water is cool. And what is the water? The water is very cool. And we stay to play. Over there children stay for a while to play in that paddling pool. By the paddling pool. Down by the river on the way to school. The children are going to the school, and on the way there is a place where the little water is gathered and it's a paddling pool. So you can see over your next picture, see the children are over here, and what the children are doing, the children are looking at the pool down, it is gathered over here. So they are looking at the water, which is small water is gathered, which they are admiring it. Okay, now this poem is over. This is a very short and sweet poem. See, again we will say, down by the river on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water cool, and we stay to play by the paddling pool, down by the river on the way to school. So this is the experience shared by the children. The poet is saying, looking at the children, how the children are enjoying a little bit of water which is gathered on the ground, or paddling pool is there, then to the children are enjoying a lot. Now we'll go to another poem. Wow, another poem is about school children only. Yes. So you can see all the school children, what they are having in their hands. They are having in their hands bells. What are these called? Bells. What are these called? Known as bells. Okay, so the poem is only about the bells. Bell means what? Ghanti. Ghantri apne vagaડીએ ને, we ring the bell, right? And this bell is which type of bell? This bell is of the school children when they are leaving for home. When they are leaving for home, or they are having a game period. This excitement on the face of the school children you can see. So this bell is what? Of school bell. Do you remember when you used to go to school? Due to COVID, now nobody is allowed to come to school, but you must be knowing it, the enjoyment of the bell when it rings. The best part is when you get the recess, and the second part is when you go home. So all this bell when it rings, you feel one type of enjoyment. In the recess you feel, okay, wow, this recess, at least we'll get a time to play. And the second bell is what? In the last period. In the last period, when the period is over, that time the bell is ringing, that bell is for you to go home. So all the children faces you can see, they are so happy. Now we read the poem. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, ding a dong, a ding a dong, all the bells are ringing. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, it's a holiday. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, all the bells are singing. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, let's go out and play. Over here what the poem is? Here the poem is ding a dong, a ding a dong. Again ding a dong, a ding a dong, all the bells are ringing. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, it's a holiday. Ding a dong, a dong, ding a dong, all the bells are singing. Ding a dong, a ding a dong, let's go out and play. Over here the children are saying, okay, when the bells are ringing, it's a holiday, it means holiday. So the bells are singing, again the bells are singing, so let's go out and play. So I hope you followed this poem also, and you followed this poem also, the paddling pool. So children, please read this poem thoroughly at home, try to read it. Once again we'll read the poem over here. So everybody look here. The paddling pool. Down by the river on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water cool, and we stay to play by the paddling pool, down by the river on the way to school. Why the children are enjoying to play in the pool? Because the water is cool. What is that? Water is cool. Pani thanda hai. That is why the children are enjoying to play in the pool. Thank you.